You're stuck posting affiliate links with no leverage, no list, and no clarity, then this video is for you. I'm in the build phase myself, and I found a framework that finally makes sense. No hype, just architecture. By the end of this video, you'll see the exact funnel I'm deploying to turn traffic into trust and trust into sales. I'll walk you through every step from list building to bridge page logic to the comp plan. That makes it all worth it. If you want a system that compounds, then stay with me. This is Business Academy Comp Plan. Earn 80% residuals with a trust building funnel that converts traffic into sales, and I'm showing you exactly how I'm deploying it. So let's go! Most affiliate marketers start with scattered effort. They grab a post, they post it everywhere, and hope something sticks. I did that too. No list, no leverage, no system, just noise. What changed everything was discovering HBA. What changed everything was discovering HBA. Not just for the 80% residuals, but for the clarity. The framework is modular, swipeable, and built for builders like me who want to deploy fast, optimize daily, and build something that lasts. Now, if you ever felt stuck posting links with no structure, drop a comment below and tell me what platform you've been using. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. I want to know where the builders are showing up. Here's the exact funnel I'm deploying. It's trust first, congruent, and engineer for leverage. Step 1, lead capture page. So let's go to the lead capture page, right? Alright, so, and it's built like HBA, right? If you've seen HBA, you've seen this, okay? But this is built for me, okay? So, it's congruent, right? It works, and it looks like HBA, right? But it sets me apart, because this builds my list, and it'll build your list too, right? So build for trust, not hype. This copy speaks to burned optimists and quiet creators, mobile optimized, emotionally congruent, platform native, okay? Step 2, the bridge page. So let's go to the bridge page, right? Sorry. And this is what builds your my list, know like trust, right? I introduce myself, I talk about my, where I came from, what my background is, and then transition to one of the company heads, right? And he does the selling and telling for me, right? But I'm building the early stages of know, like, and trust with this page. And what sets me apart is most people are using the company page, right? So you're not building your list, you're building their list. You're building their list, okay? Not your list. And that's where the money is made. You ever heard of the saying, the money is in the list? Well, this is the great proof of it, right? Now, this is the pivot. Instead of sending traffic straight to the HBA sales page, I use a bridge page that pre-frames the value. I explain why I chose HBA, what I'm building, and how others can plug in faster. It's not about selling, it's about showing the architecture. Step 3, the email sequence, okay? So, every email is swipeable, congruent, and manner focused. I'm not blasting offers, I'm documenting the build. I share what's working and what's next. It builds trust, not pressure, okay? Now I send to people to johnsully.com hba.cp. That's this page right here, okay? It's a trust first walkthrough of the system. No fluff, no pitch, just the framework. Every model is plug and play. Every tool is engineered for leverage. This page will take you to this, okay? Make sense? Opt in. Put your name here, your first name, and your best email. And then you'll be taken to this page. And you can start right here. Yes, I want in. Hell yeah. Do you want to make 80% residual commissions month after month? If this breakdown is helping you see the structure more clearly, then hit the like button. It helps me reach more builders who are tired of scattered effort and ready to deploy with clarity. Since deploying this funnel, everything changed. I'm no longer guessing, I'm executing. So I build a video page every single day when, or I should. I make a video, I build a page. If it's not done right away, it's done soon. Okay? So then I send the people through the videos. And it will help build my YouTube and my Google, right? My emails build connection, and my CTA builds momentum. I'm still in the build phase. I haven't earned yet, but I'm documenting everything so others can plug in faster. That's the real value, okay? I'm not selling a dream, I'm showing you the blueprint. And because I'm focused on YouTube and Google, every asset I publish has long-term reach. Now you will learn this if you get started in HBA, because we are building a team page, okay? It's going to teach you the step-by-step things to set yourself apart from every other person. You want to be in that 2% of people that are actually making money online, right? Then you want to get the tools to do things and build any business, not just this business, any business, and also teach your people how to duplicate, because that's the hardest part. Not just you winning, teaching the duplication without investing 24 hours a day into training people. The videos that we'll have on the team page, I'll show you something that's similar. It's not built for this system, okay? And it's a different system, but it will show you the basics, right? And that would be this right here, okay? Let me see if this is the right one. Okay, so this is a different system, okay? But look at how much training it has, okay? That's what for Simple Freedom Warriors, right? But it's a smidge of what you will learn, okay? You'll learn a lot of this. You'll learn the basic steps on how to rank YouTube videos, and also how to rank on Google, how to build blogs, how to get traffic, how to get backlinks to the daily steps you need to do, or anybody else needs to do, to make to build lead traffic, leads, and sales, okay? And to build an email list. Again, the money is in the list. YouTube lets me show how things work. Step-by-step tutorials, walkthrough, and proof. Google backs it up with search visibility. Together, they give me a foundation that compounds. Have you looked at YouTube lately? They have videos, right? YouTube videos, okay? So, you make a YouTube video, you have the possibility to rank on Google too. This is evergreen traffic, okay? It's not just, okay, I'm consistently posting my link on Facebook and it's gone a couple days and nobody will see it, Something you post once can last forever on YouTube and Google. That's why I'm focused on YouTube and Google, and you should too. If you want to make me to break down any part of the funnel in a future video, like the bridge page, logic, or email sequence, drop a comment and let me know. I read every one. Now, I want to show you a couple things before I go, okay? That this is not just me. See how I'm not signed in right here? Okay? This is the training you get. The very first video I took on the old team training page, okay? I ranked side by side while my mentor was watching within minutes, okay? With no views. 0 views. And I ranked on the first page, okay? And that's what you can do for any business, okay? This is to teach you how to build any business, okay? HBA is the best funnel builder. Not only does it $25, it only costs you make $20 a month residually. So you bring a team member in, right? And that team member will pay you $20. You get $20 from them. Okay? If you're a builder, okay, I want to show you this real quick. So we're gonna load up. Give me a second. I don't know if it's loading or not. It's okay. This is not what I'm looking for. Amazon affiliate links. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, so it's loading. Or maybe not. There it goes. Okay. So, I'm only going to tell you the people that's on our team that have this training, okay? Affiliate Mentor Review 2025, the number one video, so this is a sponsor video, this is an ad, okay, is Michael De La Cruz, team member, okay? Affiliate Mentor VIP Product Review, Postcard Lifestyle, a team member, the top 2 videos, right? Mr. Orange Dream, the number 3 video. Excuse me. 3 of the top 3. How are you going to beat 100%, right? And this is the whole playlist by Postcard Lifestyle. And here's Postcard Lifestyle again. There's a sponsor video, doesn't count. Okay, this is a team member. This is a team member. The 2 top shorts. Okay, this is a team member. Are you getting? Are you seeing the pic? Getting the gist of this? Like, are you seeing? There's a method to our madness. We're like building monopolies. You played Monopoly? We're getting the greens, the blues, the boardwalk, Park Place, all the railroads. Okay? Here's another one. Affiliate Mentor 2025 review by Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Affiliate Mentor Review 2025. Make Money Online with JJ. That's me. Okay? Mr. Orange Dream. And it goes on and on. Okay? It goes on and on, literally. You can dominate any program with this. Okay? Have you ever heard the term, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime? Okay? That's what type of training this is. Life-changing. When I got started in Affiliate Mentor, I was interested in Affiliate Mentor, but you know what I wanted? I wanted the system that would help me rank on YouTube and Google over and over again. That is life-changing. And we're about to give it to you for free if you join with us, okay? We're setting it up, right? Here's another, Mr. Orange Dream. Postcard Lifestyle, and it goes on and on. How would you like to have your team trained for you and know exactly how to duplicate your success? You're trained and your team is trained, okay? If you're builder 2, someone who values clarity, okay? Oh, I want to show you I can change this. Okay, so I'm going to go to a, let's say this is me, okay? Real quick. I'll be right back. So this is how copy and paste simple. Let's say I made this video, okay? This is our team member. I share, I copy the link, okay? I go over here, right? I hit change, edit video, right? And I paste it. I click on the video, boom, it's there. That's how simple this is. Simple but powerful, okay? If you're a builder 2, someone who values clarity, systems, and compounding leverage, this funnel is for you. Go to johnsolly.com, HBACP. The link should be in the description. It's a launch pad, no fluff, no no pitch, just the framework. This walkthrough was called Home Business Academy Comp Plan. Earn 80% residuals with a trust-building funnel that converts traffic into sales. And now you've seen exactly how I'm deploying it. If you're getting value from this, consider subscribing. I'm documenting the build phase in real time so you can plug in faster and avoid the trial and error I went through. This is JJ Solid, aka John Solid, aka Yo Funny Neighborhood Solid Man, documenting the build, deploying the framework, and helping you plug in faster. Don't delay. Get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.